A microprocessor, sometimes called a logic chip, is a computer processor on a microchip. The microprocessor contains all or most of the central processing unit (CPU) functions and is the engine that goes into motion when you turn your computer on. A microprocessor is designed to perform arithmetic and logic operations that make use of small number holding areas called registers. Typically, microprocessors operating includes adding, subtracting, comparing two numbers, and fetching numbers from one area to another. These operations are the result of sets of instructions that are part of microprocessor design. When your computer is turned on, the microprocessor gets the first instruction from the basic input or output system that comes with the computer as part of its memory. After that, either the BIOS or the operating system that BIOS loads into computer memory or an application program is driving the microprocessor, giving it instructions to perform. Microprocessor basics. It is an integrated circuit designed to process instructions. It is the most important and usually the most expensive component of a computer. It is the largest chip on the system board, although it might be hidden under a cooling fan. Most of today's microprocessors are housed in a pin grid array chip package. Factors affecting microprocessor performance, including clock speed, bus speed, word size, cache size, instruction set, number of cores, and processing techniques. A clock speed is the operating speed of a computer or its microprocessor, defined as the rate at which it performs internal operation expressed in cycles per second or megahertz. A bus speed usually refers to speed of the front side bus, which connect the CPU to the North Bridge. FBS speeds can range from 66 MHz to over 800 MHz. And word size. Word size refers to the number of its bits processed by a computer CPU in one go. Data bus size, instruction size, address size are usually multiples of the word size. And cache size. Since the CPU address in 32 bits wide, this implies 21 plus 5 plus 6 equals 32, and has 21 bits for the tag field. The original Pentium 4 processor has had an 8-way set associative L2 integrated cache 256 KB in size with 128 byte cache blocks. And instruction set. Instruction set, complete set of all instructions in machine code that can be recognized and executed by a central processing unit. Number of cores. Number of cores are the total number of logical processors is the number of physical CPUs multiplied by the number of cores per CPU. And lastly, processing techniques. Processing techniques. The information processing techniques, originally command and control research, was part of the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency of the United States Department of Defense. And that's all.